Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you what is in my GLAM collection holiday kit from Lancome. So if you guys are interested in seeing what's in here and see if this is a good idea for you guys to purchase to gift for Christmas time, then just keep on watching. So first things first is the price. So you can get this for $68 with a $39.50 Lancome purchase, which the value of this entire thing is actually $460. So that is a huge value. You're getting all of this good stuff for a really good price. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. Okay, so out of the box, this is a huge beautiful makeup bag or case that we have, and it looks like it has two compartments. I love that it's all black, very chic, very holiday. So let's go ahead and jump right in. I do want to mention that all of the products that are in here are full size. All right, so as soon as you open it, the bag comes with the mirror right on top, which I think it's pretty awesome. It's a good size too, you guys. It does have that protective plastic so it doesn't get scratched. But let me go ahead and show you guys all of the products. So everything is wrapped in tissue paper to make sure that everything's nice and protected. So taking out what it seems like 3 items. Okay, so we got their Lancome Hypnôse Drama Mascara, which I have used and it's really nice. I love how it makes my lashes just very voluminous. So it's a really good mascara. And then I also got this dual-sided brush that has this nice maybe blush or powder brush on one side and then an eyeshadow brush on the other. And then I also got this lipstick in the shade Wine Party, which looks like this. Very pretty berry wine. And then this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. Very creamy and such a pretty shade. Next, I got this cream, which I cannot pronounce, but I'm gonna try anyways. But it's their Advanced Génifique Jox. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna add a little bit on the back of my hand. And this smells so good. It's very jelly consistency. And one thing I do like about Lancome products is that they're very rich. So yeah, this is very nice. I am very excited to be using that. So for any of you guys that buy this bundle, you are in for some skincare and makeup. So I got another lipstick, and this one is in the shade Macy, and it says that it is a matte formula. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it right next to that other shade. And it is this very pretty hot pink shade, and right next to the other one you can see that it's a little bit more matte, but it's not like those very drying, all in the crevices type of matte. Also another very pretty holiday shade. Okay, next I got this little guy right here, and this is their Advanced Génifique Concentrate Youth Activating Face Serum. But I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit on this side of my hand. And it smells just as good as the eye cream, and this is more of a true serum. It does go on very liquidy, but it does have that tacky finish, which feels very nice. And I'm just in love with the scent. Okay, so those were all of the items on the top part of this makeup case. And now I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, open the bottom, and see what else we got. Okay, so the very first thing I grabbed, and it's one of my all-time favorite eye makeup removers, is this guy right here. So I love this because it literally removes everything. Just put it on a cotton round, place it on your eye, soak it for, I don't know, 5 seconds, and then wipe off, and it literally removes waterproof eyeliner, your eyelash glue. It just removes everything. So already I feel like this is a winner for me because I love it so much. Okay, so next is this guy right here, and this is their Booster XL, and it is basically a eyelash primer. which looks like that. I normally don't wear primers on my eyelashes, but considering that their mascara is really good, I'm pretty sure this along with the mascara is gonna be just phenomenal. Now I also got this eyeliner, and this is in the shade Black Ebony, and ooh, this is nice. That is the shade right there. So you can get a very precise line when you dry it directly on top. And if you slant it, then of course you can get that smoky effect. So I love black eyeliner. I wear almost every single day that I wear makeup, clearly. I haven't tried this one, so I'm really excited for this as well. Now I also got another lipstick, and this one here is in the shade Natural Beauty, and this is a cream. And this one is a nude. Ooh, I love nudes. So this is what it looks like up close. And then this is what it looks like on the back of my hand. And I'm actually going to apply this right now. Okay, and now this is what it looks like on my lips. So I love the shade, I love the formula, it's very creamy. It just feels so nice on the lips. So again, this is in the shade Natural Beauty. Okay, so now the last thing that I got in my holiday collection is this palette right here. And can we just talk about the packaging? Look how stunning this is. It is all black with silver glitter. It has their logo, and this is their eyeshadow and blush palette GLAM. So it comes with 10 eyeshadows, 5 which seem to be matte and 5 that are shimmers, and then 2 blushes here at the bottom, and this nice big old mirror on top. So this is so pretty. This is like the perfect palette to create everyday looks, smoky looks, glam holiday looks, and the blushes. One of them seems kind of matte or satin, and this one right here does look like it does have more of a highlighter glowy finish. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually swatch maybe all of them. Let me go ahead and wipe my hand off and I will be right back. Okay, so now that I have a clean palette, I'm gonna go ahead and start swatching these shades. So there's that pink one. So there's one, a very pretty soft pink. The next one right over, and there it is right there. Very pretty, very shimmery, such a pretty shade. It actually matches kind of what I'm wearing today. So the next one over is this one right here, which is also another shimmer. And I'm trying to wipe off my fingers as I go, but there is that very pretty gold. Look at that right there. So it's not super glittery, but it has just the perfect amount of reflex, and it's so pretty. Next one over is this brown, which is a matte, and I'm gonna swatch that right next to that one right there. And that was such an ugly swatch. But there it is, perfect for a smoky eye or just for the outer corner. Just very pretty. So now this very pretty purple, which is also a shimmer, which looks like that. And I'm going to swatch this right there. And it actually doesn't look all that purple once you apply it. I mean, it's purple, but it has almost like gold and black glitter. I don't know. But that is that one right there. Okay, so now moving on to the second row. I did have to clean my hand for this, but we're starting off with this very light peachy nude color, which looks like that. And this is what it looks like right there. Now this next one over is also like a gold, but lighter than the other one. And that is what that looks like. And this one, oh, this is so pretty. This is like the perfect inner corner highlight. Okay, next is this burgundy right here, which looks like that. And that is what this one looks like. And now this one right here, I'm actually the most excited about. I feel like it's just so pretty. And that is what that one looks like. So swatching right next to that one. Yeah, look at that right there. So beautiful. So this one on the swatch, it looks kind of white silver with a hint of pink. So I don't know if you can see it that well, but it is so beautiful. And I'm actually going to just add that right there. And now moving on to the black down here. Blacks I feel like are always hard, there you go, to get really black. A lot of the times it just looks kind of dark gray. So let's go ahead and see if this is a true black. But there it is, and it's not as pigmented as other black eyeshadows that I've seen, but I will say that if you are able to layer it on, then you can definitely get a lot more out of that shade. So yep, it is beautiful. Okay, so now to swatch the blushes, I cleaned my fingers. I have a fresh palette. I'm going to start with this one right here, and here is the first shade. Very pretty. I feel like this is so my style right here. And now to swatch the next one over right here. So it's more of a pinky blush, and it does have like the little bits of gold in there. I don't think you guys can see, but it's more of a highlight finish as opposed to this one right here. But those are it right there. So that is actually everything that came in my GLAM holiday box from Lancome. I think the value of this is just absolutely amazing. You can get this for $68, valued at $460. So mind-blowing. So this is like the perfect gift for your mom, your sister, yourself, you know, a cousin, whoever is into glamorous makeup and likes quality products. I think this is it right here. So if you guys are looking for ideas and things to buy for the holidays, then I really hope this video helped you out in some way, shape, or form. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Yo quiero saber si tú te vas, mami, cuando tú quieras.